Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the best tools to make your DIY and professional projects easier and more efficient. Are you tired of struggling with uneven drywall cuts or tools that just don't get the job done? Have you ever wondered which sheetrock cutter is truly worth your investment? Well, today, we're diving into the world of drywall cutters, ranking the top 7 products on the market. Stick around as we count down from number 7 to the ultimate number 1 pick that will transform the way you work with drywall. Let's get started. 7. Goldblatt Drywall Saw. The Goldblatt Drywall Saw is a 6-inch jab saw designed for cutting through drywall, wood, plastic, and even cement board. It features a triple ground tooth design that promises to cut 50% faster than conventional saws, making it a handy tool for quick jobs. The hardened blade allows for cutting in both directions, and the sharpened tip is perfect for puncturing drywall with ease. Its ergonomic soft grip handle ensures comfort during prolonged use and reduces the risk of slipping. While the Goldblatt Drywall Saw offers several advantages, such as its lightweight design and versatility, it does have some limitations. The blade's sharpness tends to wear down faster than expected when used on tougher materials like cement board. This means you may need to sharpen or replace the blade more frequently than with other options. Additionally, the handle, while comfortable, can feel slightly small for users with larger hands, which might lead to hand fatigue over time. For light DIY projects or occasional use, this saw performs well. It's compact enough to maneuver in tight spaces and offers decent cutting efficiency for standard drywall tasks. However, it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty or professional-grade projects due to its durability concerns. Overall, the Goldblatt Drywall Saw is an affordable option that works well for basic tasks but falls short in terms of long-term reliability. Number 6. HAUTMEC 5-inch Folding Drywall Saw. The HAUTMEC 5-inch folding drywall saw is a compact and portable tool designed for precise cutting of drywall, wallboard, plywood, and PVC. Its high-carbon steel blade features a sharpened tip that easily punctures materials and triple-sharpened teeth, 7 TPI, that allow for smooth cutting in both push and pull directions. The foldable design includes a lockback mechanism that secures the blade at 125 degrees or fully open at 180 degrees, ensuring safety during use and storage. This saw excels in portability thanks to its folding mechanism, which prevents accidental punctures when stored in tool pouches or bags. The overmolded rubberized grip adds comfort and stability during operation, making it suitable for extended use. However, despite its innovative design and compact size, the HAUTMEC saw has some drawbacks. The blade's durability is somewhat limited. It tends to dull quicker than expected when used on denser materials like plywood or cement board. Additionally, while the folding mechanism is convenient, it can loosen over time with repeated use, reducing its reliability. For DIY enthusiasts or light-duty tasks, this saw is a good choice due to its ease of use and versatility. However, professionals looking for a tool that can withstand heavy-duty applications may find it lacking in robustness. The HAUTMEC 5-inch folding drywall saw strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, but doesn't quite match up to higher-end options in terms of durability. Number 5. Goldblatt Folding Drywall Saw. The Goldblatt Folding Drywall Saw takes things up a notch with its bimetal blade that offers 3 times the cutting life of standard blades. This 5-inch blade features precision triple ground teeth, 8 TPI, for smooth and fast cutting in both push and pull directions. It's designed to handle drywall, wallboard, plywood, plastic, and PVC with ease. The folding design includes a secure lock system that prevents accidental closure during use, while the ergonomic anti-slip handle ensures comfort even during extended projects. One of the standout features of this saw is its ability to tackle various materials efficiently without compromising on precision. The deep gullets between the teeth prevent material buildup on the blade, allowing for uninterrupted cutting sessions. The sharpened tip makes it easy to start cuts by puncturing drywall effortlessly. Additionally, the foldable design enhances safety and portability, perfect for professionals who need to carry their tools across job sites. However, like any tool, it has minor drawbacks. While its bimetal blade offers impressive durability compared to other models on this list, it still struggles with extremely thick or dense materials over time. Users may also find that aligning the blade when folding requires extra care to avoid accidental misalignment. Overall, the Goldblatt Folding Drywall Saw is an excellent mid-tier option that balances performance and convenience. Its robust construction makes it suitable for both DIYers and professionals tackling medium-scale projects. While not entirely free from flaws, this saw provides great value for its price point and stands out as a reliable addition to any toolkit. 4. Makita XDS01Z 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Cutout Tool. The Makita XDS01Z 18V LXT Cordless Cutout Tool is a professional-grade solution for precise and efficient drywall cutting. Designed for vertical and overhead applications, this tool delivers up to 6,000 strokes per minute with its 1/4 inch stroke length, ensuring clean and controlled cuts. Its adjustable blade depth, up to 1 to 3/16 inches for drywall and 9/16 inches for wood, minimizes the risk of damaging wires or pipes behind the surface. The dust port with a clear dust box ensures improved visibility and cleaner workspaces, making it ideal for cutouts and repairs. One of the most impressive features is its ability to cut up to 984 feet of 1/2 inch drywall on a single charge using a 4.0 battery, or up to 1,200 feet with a 5.0 battery. This makes it a reliable choice for large-scale projects. The lightweight design, just 4.2 pounds with the battery, reduces fatigue during extended use, while the rubberized soft grip handle enhances user comfort. Additionally, the tool includes dual LED lights for better visibility in dimly lit areas. However, the Makita XDS01Z does have some limitations. It uses a brushed motor instead of a brushless one, which could impact long-term efficiency and durability compared to newer models. Also, it's sold as a bare tool, meaning you'll need to purchase batteries and chargers separately unless you're already invested in Makita's ecosystem. Despite these minor drawbacks, this tool shines in terms of precision and ease of use. Whether you're a contractor or a DIY enthusiast tackling drywall installations or repairs, the Makita XDS01Z offers excellent performance and convenience. Its compact size and thoughtful features make it a top contender for anyone seeking a cordless drywall cutting tool. 3. Ecarke Cordless Drywall Cutting Tool. The Ecarke Cordless Drywall Cutting Tool is an innovative rotary tool compatible with DeWalt 20-volt batteries, offering exceptional versatility and power. Equipped with a brushless motor that delivers up to 30,000 RPM across 3 adjustable speed settings, this tool handles drywall, wood, plastic, and even plywood effortlessly. Its lightweight design and ergonomic grip minimize fatigue during extended use, making it suitable for both professionals and DIYers. What sets the Ecarke apart is its precision-focused design. The tool-free depth adjustment allows users to make clean cuts at varying depths up to 35 millimeters, ensuring flexibility for different materials and projects. It also comes with both 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch bits for various cutting applications like shaping or trimming materials. The built-in LED light enhances visibility in low-light conditions, further improving accuracy. While this tool excels in performance, it does have some limitations worth noting. Battery life can be an issue on larger projects if you're not using high-capacity batteries. Additionally, as it's sold without batteries or chargers, first-time buyers will need to factor in these additional costs if they don't already own compatible DeWalt batteries. Overall, the Ecarke Cordless Drywall Cutting Tool is an excellent choice for those seeking portability without sacrificing power or precision. Its versatility makes it ideal for various tasks beyond drywall cutting, offering great value for professionals who need a reliable, all-in-one solution on job sites. 2. Zozen Drywall Cutting Tool. The Zozen Drywall Cutting Tool is designed to streamline repetitive drywall cutting tasks with its innovative dual-blade system. This foldable cutter features adjustable blades that allow users to cut both sides of drywall simultaneously for clean breaks every time. It's compact and portable, making it easy to carry between job sites or store when not in use. One of its standout features is the laser-printed scale that ensures accurate measurements during cuts. This makes it particularly useful for tasks requiring precision, such as cutting strips around windows or doors. Users have praised its ability to handle materials up to 5/8 inch thick efficiently while maintaining smooth edges. However, some users have reported issues with blade alignment over time. If not adjusted properly, the blades may fail to cut evenly on both sides of the drywall sheet, leading to additional manual corrections. Additionally, while the tool is great for straight cuts, it struggles with irregular shapes or curves. Despite these minor flaws, the Zozen drywall cutting tool remains an excellent option for those looking to save time on repetitive cuts. Its thoughtful design and ease of use make it suitable for both professionals managing large projects and DIYers looking for convenience. YJINGRUI Drywall Cutting Tool. The YJINGRUI Drywall Cutting Tool takes the top spot on our list thanks to its superior engineering and user-friendly features. This foldable cutter is equipped with 8 steel wheels that ensure ultra-smooth cuts through gypsum boards up to 12 mm thick, approximately 0.47 inches. The laser-printed scale provides precise measurements that won't fade over time, making this tool perfect for professionals who demand accuracy. What truly sets this tool apart is its quick-locking design that prevents wobbling during operation, a common issue with less advanced models. This ensures consistent results even on large sheets of drywall. Additionally, the integrated burr removal edge built into the handle saves time by smoothing out rough edges as you cut. Portability is another highlight. When folded, the YJINGRUI measures just over 32 inches long and fits easily into most toolboxes or storage spaces. Despite its compact size when folded, it offers impressive versatility with adjustable cutting widths ranging from 1.5 centimeters to 61 centimeters, 0.59 inches to 24 inches. While there's little to criticize about this tool's performance or design, some users might find its price point slightly higher than other options on this list. However, considering its durability and added features like spare blades included in the package, it offers excellent value for money. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or tackling your first drywall project as a DIYer, the YJINGRUI Drywall Cutting Tool delivers professional-grade results with minimal effort. It's an investment that pays off in terms of time saved and quality achieved on every cut. Conclusion. And there you have it, our top 7 sheetrock cutters ranked. From beginner-friendly options like the Goldblatt Drywall Saw to professional-grade tools like the YJINGRUI Drywall Cutter, there's something here for everyone depending on your needs and budget. Which one caught your eye? Do you have a favorite drywall cutter that didn't make our list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tips on tools that make your projects easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.